Gina DeLuca here. All right, it is day 5 of my 30 days of creativity challenge, where I am challenging myself to doing something creative every day to get my juices flowing again. And so far, so good. It is Easter and I have not much time, so I'm going to do something small today. This is going to be an ACEO, which is art cards, editions, and originals. It's a big thing over on eBay, where there's a whole community that are into buying and trading these art cards. And I wanted to do something small that wouldn't take long, but also I thought this was really cute. So I have here a little bunny that I sketched out. I don't like to sketch directly onto my watercolor paper because when you erase, it kind of damages the surface a little bit. So I like to make sure I got it just right before I put it on to the watercolor paper. So I'm just using some regular old tracing paper here, and yeah. So let's make ourselves a little Easter bunny, shall we? Okay, moving to super high speed here. Again, as I mentioned, I am short on time, so I don't have a whole lot of time to edit this video, so I kind of had to just high speed this. If people want to see the real-time version of this, just say something in the comments and I will be sure to edit and put that up. But I wanted to make sure that I got this video up. I want to put something up every day. That is how I'm holding myself accountable, to make sure that I do what I promised myself I would do, which is to create something every day. I am noticing how shaky this is now that I'm so zoomed in on a tiny thing, and I am obviously going to have to do something different with how my camera is set up, because that is very annoying to me. Not as noticeable when it is in real time, but certainly noticeable in this high-speed fashion. But I liked how this little guy turned out. I wasn't using a reference photo for the coloring and the shading, just for the sketch, because I was trying to stay loose and not be too perfect about it, because I have a tendency to, well, just be very persnickety about things, and I'm a very tight painter, and so I'm trying to learn how to be looser, and that is also part of my goal in this 30 days of creating, is to learn how to be looser. But here he is. All right, well, he's a cute little guy. Let's give it a sign. It's not done until it's signed. And there we go. Day 5. I hope that this encourages you to do something today that, you know, is creative. I know it's Easter. A lot of people are busy today. But even if you just take 10 minutes to sit down and make a bunch of circles or squares or anything to just practice any aspect of being creative, it's a good thing. And yeah, so I hope that you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and share and subscribe and all that stuff. If you could just like it or comment, just comment. Even if you hate it, just comment. Like, I have 165,000 subscribers and I can barely break 200 views. I don't know what's going on, but maybe if folks engaged more, it would get me back into that, you know, the thing that I feel like if I say the word that even that like is gonna push me down. You're not allowed to say certain words. So, you know, just help a sister out. Help me get back into the mix, so to speak. And check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. It is appreciated, but of course not expected. You'll also find affiliate links and coupon codes. Grab yourself a discount and I make a small commission at no additional cost to you. You'll also find the link to my website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my art and music and fluid art inspiration cards for sale. And you'll also find the link to our Facebook group. Go make some art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. A good time is had by most. It is the internet after all. And yeah, I think that's it. Stay tuned for day 6 tomorrow. Don't know what I'll be doing, but come on back. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.